Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at what Audio-Technica calls their premier studio condenser instrument microphone, the AT5045. This mic is available either as a single unit or as a stereo pair, and it's designed to bring the performance you'd expect from a large diaphragm, side address condenser into a much more convenient stick-type body. What's really interesting is that despite this smaller form factor, the AT5045 actually houses Audio-Technica's largest single diaphragm. The design philosophy here seems to be about purity and performance. The circuitry has been streamlined to the essentials, which Audio-Technica says helps the AT5045 achieve an unprecedented dynamic range, one of the widest you'll find on the market. This focus on quality extends to the manufacturing. Every single AT5045 is hand-assembled and individually inspected, ensuring 100% quality control. Looking at the build, it's housed in an elegant body made of aluminum and brass, finished in a high-quality gray that's both durable and low reflectivity, which is great for studio environments. Inside, discrete components have been carefully chosen for optimized performance. The circuitry and the capsule assembly are mounted together as a single block within a floating internal shock mount. This effectively decouples the capsule from the microphone body, providing excellent isolation from vibrations and handling noise. It's clear that every detail has been considered to minimize any potential negative impact on the audio signal. In terms of sound, it's described as pure and realistic, making it ideal for capturing the nuances of acoustic instruments. Think overheads for drums, percussion, acoustic guitar, strings, and other similar sources. It features a side address design, which is typical of large diaphragm condensers, but in this unique stick format. The output is transformer coupled, which is optimized to provide a smooth sonic character. It boasts exceptionally low self-noise, while also being capable of handling high sound pressure levels, up to 149 dB SPL. When you get the AT5045, it comes with some useful accessories. You get Audio-Technica's innovative AT8481 isolation clamp, which provides secure mounting and versatile positioning while helping to dampen mechanical noise. There's also an AT8165 windscreen included, and a protective hardshell carrying case with die-cut foam compartments designed to hold either a single microphone or a stereo pair securely. Overall, the AT5045 presents itself as a top-tier instrument microphone built with meticulous attention to detail and focused on delivering exceptional audio performance for demanding recording applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.